So everything just shut off, pretty much. Like the computer shut off, monitor shut off, everything just shut off all at once. I don't know what's happened. I was watching the stream and all of a sudden I just froze. Alright, so we have to get back into that guy. So we were in the middle of just getting into Uranium CTF. Okay, so this is all still working. So this all came like right back up. Cherry tree probably broke down, huh? And like had like an explosion. New instance. We're actually quit that instance. We'll say, hey, nope, file new instance. We'll do a try hack me. Did you shut off my computer from like over there or something? Everything just shut off all at once. So, okay. I did eat some Skittles. Alright, that was super weird, whatever just happened there. So, we're going to try hack me. We'll make a directory for uranium. I don't know what just happened. Uranium CTF. Alright, we'll go ahead and we'll do our little Twitter thing again, and we'll say Control Shift print screen. Yeah, this guy like right here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Then this down here. All right, and that is his Twitter right there. Yeah, so everything just shut down all of a sudden. It just shut off. Monitor, desktop, everything. I'm pretty sure my wife is like playing with the power. I don't know if she's in the bedroom. I don't know. She's got her hair dryer, hair curler, TV, computer, probably turned on Xbox, plugged it all in the same power outlet, extended that power outlet to another one and said, yes, here we go. And then looked at me, what'd you do? Alright, so let's so we're back here now. I don't know if just throwing in that, I kind of want to show because my thing went away. So let's go ahead and CD and desktop, try Acme, Uranium CTF. I want to show what I did with that send email again, which I don't really remember exactly what I did, but that's okay because it wasn't too bad. If I just send email, I hit enter again, should be able to do this pretty quickly. So we're going to do a send email, tag T from me, which is going to be we'll say test@test.com. We're going to hand can be. If anyone knows how to say that, please tell me. At uranium.thm, right? Uranium.thm. Okay. We need to put in tag S, the server, which I did not do last time. Just told that you figure it out where to go. I'm not gonna figure it out for you. You do it yourself. Okay, we'll copy that down. Boom, boom. Shift V. Okay. We'll put in the. So that's a 2-line. We did the server last time. We needed the TLS tag O. TLS equals no. We needed that because we were getting those errors, right?
Right.
Tag A application because that's what we will be attaching to our email.
Attaching.
And then we have our message. Okay, tag MZ. We'll say Z wanted this box. I should have never done the whole Twitch thing because of one of the little things that you get to pick, are change the box. Which if you pick it, I'm not doing it, just so you know, because you're sitting like right there. I know you're not even going to watch it. But Z picked change the box in the middle of me doing the last one. I was like, oh my god, now we have to do another box. He said, yeah, you wanted this box. Now I'm doing this box. I don't think I'm ever going to. I should have never done it, But now it's there. You can't like take it away. You know what I'm saying? No, hit enter.
Great to see it.
Error. Exit. No recipients were delivered by the mail server. Uranium.thm. Did I spell that wrong? URANIUM.thm. What is it? The recipient test was rejected by the mail server. Now he's saying ha ha ha. Exiting. No recipients were. Okay, that's okay. That's all right. Maybe it's because I already sent one with test.com. Maybe we'll try test one. Test one or test at gmail.com. Nerd. Oh my God, Audrey, get out of here. Works. Well, this didn't happen last time. That's why I mean, TAC T and TAC F. TAC T. What was TAC T again? Address to. Oh, two. I'm saying. Oh, from and to. Thank you. I'm gonna say I literally did it right the first time last time. This time I'm not getting it right. Okay, thank you very much. We're doing port 1337 because I did do an MSF Venom for a. Since this did just shut down and we are recording this, MSF Venom TAC P. I did do a Linux, and we did what was it? x86, 86/shell reverse TCP. All right, and then we did lhost equals, and then all that stuff. And the port was 1337 that he put on there. That's why we're sending off an attachment port 1337. We named it application because if you come over to here, he says everyone can send me application files. File name is going to be application. So that's why we needed that. So if I do ID now, we're in there. Let me go ahead and print screen this guy up here. Throw this into my notes, Twitter, and then we'll say SMTP with send email. All right, cool. And let's go ahead and ls-la and cat that user one dot text. Now please use a full shell. Okay, will do. Let's go ahead and throw that user one dot text in there. What is the required password for the chat app? What is the password of? I don't know. I'm getting. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into our Discord. Get out of here with all those noises. Seriously. Discord. You have no reason to. I know that I'm going into Discord like right now, and I'm going to throw it in there. I think I actually made. You know what? I don't even need to do that in all honesty, because I think I actually made a cat. I think in the full shell. I thought I actually put it in here. I thought I put it actually in here. Web. I was throwing in the full shell, but I thought I put something into here for that. Okay, that's all right. So let me go ahead and hop into Discord, and I believe you put it underneath scripts, right? Networking, CCNA. I believe he put it underneath scripts. Let me go ahead and actually get you guys actually over here for. Where's it at? Display capture. There you go. All right, cool. So we want scripts, boom, and there you go, right here. Okay, that's what we want. All right, shell stabilization. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this into full shell. All right, so let's go ahead and run that Python. Well, actually, let's see which Python first. Which Python 3. Make sure that Python is on here first. I don't want nano. There, I want cat. Just so I don't mess up anything over there. So we'll do that. Okay. So we do our Python right. Boom. Press Control Z to put it into a background. All right. Type in STTY TAC A. Enter. Note the rows of columns say they are 40 and 160 respectively. All right, well, this one's 20 and 85, whatever. Okay, then we do an STTY raw TAC echo. And then we'll do a foreground. Enter. Now press enter twice. Enter, enter. Okay. export term equals xterm STTY rows 20 columns 85. And that's for me up here. His say 4160. I think that's full screen, right? 2085. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, 4160 should be full screen. And now we should have a full shell. So we should be able to do something like, you know, CD into mail file. And there we go. So tab works, everything like that. Full work shell in particular, that should now work. Okay, cool. So we got to this point now. It's 310. So boom, boom, boom. Oh, actually, let me actually show us getting actually into this guy, huh? Full shift print screen. So now we're in here. Now we just need to figure out what do we do next, right? So next we, I guess, chat with password. I don't know it. Okay. So the other type of box, I would think, you know, we'd have to, let's see in the mail file. He probably has his password somewhere. I feel like he has it somewhere. Can we do a sudo tech out with this guy for some odd reason? No, we cannot. Okay. So we can't do sudo tech out. We're in the mail file. Nothing in there just yet. Let's go ahead and cd cat etsy password and see if any other users exist. Web crel 4. He's got bin bash. Hackby has bin bash. So who the heck is crel 4? Which you said did say chat with crel 4. CD into home. Stack LA, and we can CD into crel 4. I think. Nope. Yeah, I'm about to say read is denied. Okay, so we can't CD in there. See back in the Hackby. Now we just need to figure out. Selected editor, local, bash history is going to dev null, bash logout, cache config. I wonder what type of chat client they're actually using, or am I going to have to do some type of buffer overflow on this thing now? Am I going to have to do some type of... Okay, no, I do not. Okay. Good try, just in case. So do I have to like buffer overflow this chat now on Linux? Because I'm not good with buffer overflows on Linux. I'm not very good with. I could doing my notes, and it's going to take me a minute. But like by like a minute, it's going to take me a long time. But yeah, I'm not very good with them under Linux just yet. So now cd var www. No buffer overflow. That would have been interesting. See, HTML web flag. Ooh, web has to look at that. Well, root can look at all of them. So, cat readme.txt. I don't know. Readme is always good, right? They obviously got this somehow. This little chat thing for your personal use. Boom, boom. Just courtesy one splash. So we got into that. At least we're in here now, right? That's what really matters. Now, we still haven't looked up like what kind of like SUID bits. We haven't looked up anything yet, have we? So let's go ahead and cat scripts SUID lookup. Let's go ahead and do that and see what we got with this. Can I change user to anything? Bin DD. The heck is DD? Is that a real thing? DD a real thing? SUID bits, DD. I'll file to right, echo data, DD, of L file. So does this almost work like the base 64 one? Like where you base 64 and then it decodes it, that you can actually read it like that. If the binary has the SUID bit set, it does not drop the elevated privileges and may be abused to access the file system. Escalated rotated privilege access as the SUID backdoor. If it is used to run sh-tacp, omit the tacp argument on systems like Debian that allow the default sh shell to run with SUID privileges. If it's local SUID copy, the binary runs it to maintain elevated privileges. To interact with existing SUID binary, skip the first command and run the program using its original data path, which is bin, right? So we got bin. Now we just need to do, and that's it, right? I've never done this DD one before. This one's a weird one to me. But what we, so how the one in, how the base 64 one works, right, is like you get the file, you encode it base 64, then you decode it. This one looks like it's doing the same exact thing. So I need to know what the L file is. I guess Etsy shadow. You can always say L file equals / Etsy shadow. Well, let's cd in a bin. Let's do that first. Cd in a / bin. And we'll do L file equals / Etsy shadow. And then we'll do this over here. Permission denied. But it said I could. Why'd you deny me? You said I could, like, right there, though. Stack LADD. Yeah, sure enough, I can't run that. I cannot execute that, like, right there. Okay. Huh. Nothing in here. See, because he did say something about, like, hey, he's going to put, like, you know, like, stuff on there, things like that, like. Let's see what else we got. It is, but I need the password. Can we do like a strings? Strings is on here. I need the password for that though. I'm in the mail file. That's what I thought was about to happen. Where do I find that dude's password? That's to be able to get in there. copy from privilege escalation also script, limpies.sh. Need to find, or shall I say sniff his password? I said you said sniff is Wireshark, but where's the Wireshark document? You can't give hints that obviously. Alright, so let's I think I'm gonna throw limpies at, see what I can mess with, see if it says anything in there. I think. Need to find or sniff it, so if I need to sniff it, then it should be a log file of stuff. And we should be able to see some type of PCAT. And I can read that. He's just gotta have, he has Python 3, like Python 3, attack-ng. Now it should be pretty easy from here. Like real easy after this. That's gonna be 8,000. I don't know why I did that. Like should be like real easy from here. Let's go ahead and do a Wireshark for that. Because now I just need to find an insecure. Whoa, wait a minute. I just need to find insecure transmission, but we're not seeing any insecure transmissions here now, are we? It says TCP everywhere. What is the data for this guy? Data 9 bytes, link data, whatever that is. Probably the password watch. Follow TCP stream. Oh! Alright, password. Do you know what password? Yes, wait a second. I'll send it to you. Oh, yes. Yes, I remember. No need anymore. Thank you. Okay, bro, take care. I feel like this is probably his password, like right here. I feel like that's what he put in first. Yeah, he is. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he is. He's getting fired by a tower with this box of how long it's going to take me to do. That's why. He already... he probably could have drove home by now and did everything else. Yeah. So we have... I'm pretty sure that's the password right there. So let's go ahead and take a print screen of this var log, like right here. So I'll do a trying to find password. Okay, so SMTP was that. Alright, so we had oof. Nano pass.text. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and do a sudo tag-l now, I guess. Since now we have the password. And we can also hop in and talk to the other dude, I think. Hey, yes I can. I don't have his password. Or is it two different passwords? Or am I copying more than what I'm supposed to be? Okay, maybe it's two different passwords here. Okay, so let's go ahead and cd back into home. cd so I think it's two different passwords like right now. Then we'll do a period/chat with this guy. Password. Hi. How are you? Good. You? I feel weird not saying, how are you? What now? Did you figure your password in? Yes. Yes, I did. Okay, your password is my secret password. Don't lose it, please. I have to go. If only that was real. Well, shit. You know what? You know what? I say if only that was real. I've definitely gotten phone calls during field ops from people asking, "Do you know my password?" Like, no, I don't. Or like the Z's probably seen these ones before. The change me, where someone will set up a network, they'll put a whole bunch of users into it. Their password is change me, and the person like 4 or 5 will never log in. To actually change their password. So you get in and you just type in change me, and sure enough, you hop right into the system, and then you change the password. Like you're whatever. But yeah, like the other person has to actually go in there and change the passwords. That happens a lot, like Cisco routers, stuff like that. People will put like change me and stuff, but that wasn't even the most interesting part. Really, this is pretty cool. Like whoever did this box, they put in a lot of work to it. This is pretty cool so far. What is the required password for the chat app? Okay, there's that. Submit, and then the chat app was this guy like right here, right? Like these people, they like whenever stuff like this happens, like, and you can tell, like, man, these guys put in some work on this thing. They're usually pretty cool from there. Okay, so now I can sudo tech out. And let's see what I'm supposed to be able to run with sudo, because now I'm like, what am I going to run with this? Okay, Control-Shift-V. I can run bin bash as crawl 4, so I should just be able to do sudo tech u krl4/bin bash, right? And that should be him, right? Okay, yep. All right, cool. So let me go ahead and print screen that and say, so we didn't really, I wouldn't say that we really escalated privilege like right there. Let's go ahead and check our ID. Probably still going to be, okay, that's group 1001. Let's go ahead and type in exit and we'll see what group this guy's in. 1000. Yeah, we're not really escalating privilege like right there. We're more just kind of starting to do a, like lateral escalation, things like that. So I'm just going to put in lateral movement. Okay. But the more users we get, the better off we are. So if this is like real life, like that would be really, really good that we got a whole different user and everything. So now we're him, we should be able to, but he can look at more stuff than hand could be, but he's still not, root, or, I mean, he might be an admin, I don't know, but crawl 4, let's see what he can do. We can talk to his boss and say, hey, this guy sucks, chat with Hank. We should just chat right back with him, see what he says back to us. Tell him he's fired. Let's see what he says. Okay, there's user 2.text. Can we chat back with him? Let's chat. Damn. Okay. Somebody can chat back with him. Alright, so what is this check? That's something. cd.check. Or actually cat.check. What is that? False. The fuck? Okay. Cat.check. Does this seem like I can't cat that? False. Dot. Strings is on his box, is it? More, less, more dot check? False. What is this trying to check for? Okay, let's see what his... Can we run sudo check out with him, or do we need to know a password? Don't know his password. That's okay though. Let's go ahead and do a cat SUID lookup again, just to make sure we don't have to do anything with this. He can also run DD. Think we can run it now? I don't think we'll actually be able to run it now, but I'm going to try it. I think we're just going to get denied again. Yeah, permission denied. That is so weird. I'm trying to echo data into it though, aren't I? Can I just like read it? Okay. So var log, see if there's anything there that we didn't see the first time. We have that like right there. Client initiate output. Mail.log. See if there's anything in here that I can actually read. Admin unattended upgrades. I don't know what's really supposed to be in there. You know what I'm saying? Like the var.log file, because I mean, how often do you really go and look at that, you know? So that's just me, you know. Now but can we do var? Is there a mail somewhere? We've been messing with SMTP so far the whole time. Is there a mail? Sounds like var mail. CD in the mail in that thing. Can I cat hack these mail? Should have went there in the beginning for Hackabee. Okay. Short path route. Original path. Crawl. From route. Shoot crawl. I wonder if I can set something as route. Can I set something as route to crawl now? And will he open it? And then I could open it from crawl? Can I do that? I'm getting really excited about this, but can I do that? I give SUID to the nano file in your home folder to fix the attack in our index.html. Keep the nano there in case it happens again. But can I do something like that though? In his home folder. He said he gave me SUID on the nano file. Hiya, handsome.
Hey.
Yee.
You
What do you mean? Like,
Oh.
oh man, my son's awake. Which means I got like 5 minutes. That's about it before it's time to get going. So do.
Here we go.
Welcome back. It is now the evening time, and yeah, we're gonna try to do the rest of this guy. So we got web flag and the root flag, and I think I might have figured it out a little bit earlier when I was sitting there thinking about this guy. And you know, just doing my thing. That was my son, if you guys can hear that. It's his bedtime. He's about to go to bed. Alright, so let's go ahead and SSH. So let's go ahead and cat that user pass.txt. Now we know that we already have all this. We're going to SSH into Cambay, which we know that from here we're then going to go straight into crawl 4, whatever it is. We got my secret password here. Yes, I think I might have figured it out actually. Okay, so there's that and that. So what I'm thinking is I have to actually mess with index.html. What? I'm getting that a lot lately too, like the server's not responding, then I do it again and it works just fine. Oh, well this one, oh yeah, that's good. Okay, yeah, I've been getting that a lot lately. Okay, so we're in through SSH now. We can do a sudo tac-l. He can run that one thing with, what is it, crawl 4, yep, so sudo tac-u crawl 4 /bin bash, right? And am I taking notes on this guy? I am, okay. So we're in there, right? So from here, we then figured out, I then went to where? CD into var mail, right? Wasn't it? And then from here I figured out cat crawl 4, and I got this mail, right? So let me go ahead and do all this. Boom. Alright. And so I got this mail, and I give SUID to the nano file in your home folder to fix the attack on our index.html. Keep the nano there in case it happens again. So he did not have nano in his home folder. Alright. Looking at what is written. Crawl did not have nano in his home folder. We'll have to check again. I will have to check that again. Awesome. Okay, so if we mess with index.html, then we should get nano with SUID bit set, which we can then use to upgrade our privs to privs. I think we use nano. I don't know. So how are we going to mess with this guy, right? Well, we've had that DD that we can use the whole time. And I've been trying to use him on different stuff and can't figure out how to actually use him, right? So let's go ahead and look at that. So SUID lookup, we'll grab this. Boom, boom. Okay, and we have DD, which we can use, which if I go over to GTFO bins, we go back to DD, SUID, and we can see that he has, well, it's taking a minute, but he should have SUID lookup of DD. And I don't think I want to echo data DD of file. Yeah, that should work. I think I can echo whatever the heck I want in there, really, right? I think I can. I don't know. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and try to echo something into there, which will then allow us to do this, I believe. I think. And I also feel like we might just be able to just read. Because web flag, I wonder, because web flag, we know like where that is, right? So let's go ahead, I want to see something real quick. I want to do L-file equals var www html web flag dot text. I think that's what it's called. We cd into var, what's up, beautiful? Huh? Oh, no. Yeah, web flag text. Okay, so if I cd, so if I actually do a, because I can't now him like right now, right? The L file is there. So if I run that user bin guy, okay, so if I do a user bin dd file like that, can I do something like that? Oh, whoops. I think I can. I think I can do like a dd file. All right. Do I even have to echo anything? I don't think I do. Do I?
Quiet.
I don't think I have to echo anything. I can just do that as like an L file, I think. Then I can just do like a dd, or I can just do like a slash user bin cd into there, and then, wait, no, cd in a bin, I mean, and then just do that dd, right? Is that working? I don't know if that's working or not. You okay?
Yep.
We do, what if we do if? I should be able to read this. We can do L file equals var www html web flag dot text. I want to try this like real quick. I just want to try something like real quick with this DD thing, because we should be able to use DD to be able to read this guy in here. So we should be able to do that, and then from there we should be able to just do a like that DD, right? I wonder if I don't have to run it. I wonder if it's just like DD of equals L file, or DD if equals L file. We'll try DD of equals $sign L file. Maybe something like that. I don't know what, like, it's not copying anything. See, 0 bytes copied. 0 plus, like, what is it trying to show me here is what I don't understand. And like flag equals something like that. I don't know how the hell this DD thing works. That's why I'm not understanding that at all. Oh man. I'm already in bin. So I don't know. Trying. Keep trying it. Not doing anything, but I keep trying. Trying my best with it. So I don't really know how to use this DD thing like right there. But I feel like this is, I feel like this, if one is working, I just don't know where the hell it's going now. Doesn't make any sense to me, that's all. It doesn't make any sense that I wouldn't be allowed to do that, you know what I'm saying? Because the web file equals flag.txt, which is web flag.txt, which is right there. There's 0 bytes in that thing though. And it's saying 0 bytes copied, but I don't know where it's copying it to, like where are you going to? That is something. But what the hell is this copy? What does it just do? What is the L file like right now? L file equals we'll say web flag var www html web flag.txt. Right. Then we can do this guy again. He's copying something. 5 bytes copied. Where did it copy to? There's way too much stuff in here. Where's it copy to? Like, how do I read that now? Copying it like home? I don't see why I would, but you never know. Not really understanding what this DD does. It says it makes you a copy of it and run program using its original path. This example creates a local SUID copy of the binary and runs it to maintain elevated privileges. I'm not really getting anything though now, am I? If file, see that it finished and there's nothing. So I don't know. Alright, let's do the way that I thought to do it. So we have to, I feel like, mess with index.html. Let's go ahead and cd into var www html. Let's go ahead and can I mess with it? No, I can only read it. Then how the hell am I supposed to do this then? Probably with that DD somehow. But I can't do anything with that DD. It's not working. Okay, so let's try hack equals var www html slash index.html. Right? Then from there we can do a like an and or something like that, right? And echo pond. Okay. Or do we have to do a pipe? Because now we're going to be doing the DD, so I believe we'd have to do a pipe. So like pipe that into the bin. Okay. Yeah, bin DD of equals $ hack. I think that we can just do that like right there. I think we can do that. Not positive, but I think we can. Okay, that did something. So now let's go ahead and cat that index.html. Pond. Okay, so that just messed up that web flag now, that means. I might have to reset this box to be able to get the damn web flag. Alright, so I think we just did that. So we just said pond, right? Now we should go to cd into home crawl 4. We should have actually did this beforehand. We need to make a copy of, what is it, user bin nano, right? Is it just bin nano? Okay, just bin nano. So I'm doing ls tag la. Nano's in here now, right? Now we want this SUID bit to be set, so that should be red pretty much. So let's go ahead and run this guy again. You have new mail. Okay, so now we have mail. He's now red. I guarantee in our mail it's saying, hey, someone hacked it again. So let's go ahead and check it out. Cat. I think our index page has been hacked again. You know how to fix it. I'm giving you authorization. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to copy this command like right here. Boom. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and do a privesc. So now we have nano, which means now it should be an easy day in here, right? So now we should just be able to do a SUID bit for nano. We have an SUID for that, right? Or do we have a sudo capability? I don't know which one we have. I think we have a limited SUID. Can we do that? How? I don't even understand what the hell has happened. And nano/etsy password. Can I do that? Is that like a thing? Yes, you can. Okay. So can I nano/etsy shadow? We can try to. Permission denied. Why though? Since nano is now, that's your ID bit is now set on it. It's running as root. I'm so confused on how to do this now. Because nano is now running as root, right? Can I nano etsy sudoers? I can. Directory etsy is not writable though. So he's not writable. Directory etsy is not writable. So even if I put something in here, I don't think I can do anything, can I? I don't know. I don't know. This isn't gonna help because I don't even have his password. So I should probably do him because I do have his password. But I couldn't even look at like Etsy shadow. Okay, so I could save that. That's weird. Why can't I look at Etsy shadow then? What is? Okay, there we go. So I can look at Etsy shadow. I spelled wrong this time. So there's Crawling right there. So there's everybody. I mean, we can just try to copy this guy right here. We're using nano, so give me a second here. I can't just highlight and delete. Waiting, watching the clock. It's 4 o'clock. Yeah, so that did work. Whatever we're doing here. I wonder why we couldn't do it with the Etsy. Oh shit. Okay, there we go. Can I just add in my own guy here too? Or could I just like change the password in here also? Like root's password, can I just change it to like password? And then throw that in there because I've done that one before, but let's go ahead and we'll just copy that. Okay. And what we'll do, well, I've also had to like remove it whenever we do that. No, I don't actually want to save those changes. We'll go ahead and do a nano shadow.text. Throw those guys in there. John shadow.text, see if he can crack anything, and we'll try to crack him with that or whatever. But I believe we did. If we can go to su into whatever the hell that dude's name is, or we can just actually just exit, huh? There we go. Now we should be able to do a sudo tech l. I still have his password over here. His password is user pass.text. So that's his password, like right there. Oh man. And he can now run all I believe. So we should just be able to do a sudo su, and we are now root. cd into var www html. Hopefully I didn't mess this one up. Cat that web flag dot text. I did mess it up. There's absolutely nothing in there. CD in the root. And we'll cat that root.txt. Then we're gonna have to reset this guy and do that whole thing all over again, because I definitely did just mess that up. Okay, so let me go ahead and show what I did up here. So after we did that, like right there, we had this like right here, so we can see that nano is now, first we copy nano slash bin or copy slash bin nano. From there, we see that nano has the SUID bits set. Then now we are able to read files with nano and change them. So let's go ahead and show that I read this. As you can see above, I changed the Etsy pseudoers file to allow for HackerBay to have full cribs. Alright, cool. So let me just go ahead and reset this guy real quick, and we can grab that last one, and we will be done with this box. So that's very, very exciting. And then it will be bedtime for me. I'm going to submit that like real quick. Is this machine actually starting? No, he's not. Let's go and refresh this guy. We'll get this guy all started up, and we'll be done with it. It'll be good. And we will be all finished with this one. So thanks a lot for sticking around, everybody. I know it's been morning and evening. What's up? And we will be finished with this web flag like right here. Okay. I have to wait 23 seconds before the thing even opens up. Then it'll take about a minute and a half to actually get in again. Or pull up the SSH password real quick. Oh, okay, it's already there. Okay, let's go ahead and exit. Oh, whoops. My wife's standing in the corner doing this thing. Like, I'm watching you. I was like, oh, I better pull up the SSH password. Oh, she's back in the corner again. It's very, very sneaky. Okay, so there we go. Go ahead and grab that. There we go. And grab his password. Hopefully we get in the first try. Like I said, I've been having problems lately with the SSH. But yeah, super weird. There we go. Okay, I'm going to clear that out, and then we can attack out. I forgot how the heck we get in. Oh yeah, just bin bash. So sudo attack u. This is a great box too. This is pretty freaking cool. Do we even actually need to get in as him because we got that DD like right there? Oh well, he does get the nano, huh? But yeah, this is a pretty cool box. We're gonna copy nano or bin nano real quick, right? To right here. Well, last time I actually did it after I got the guy over to us, didn't I? So let's go ahead and do that again. Let's go ahead and go into how do I do exactly? sent, yeah, it said, hey, that's going to be my L file. It's going to be hacked, right there. So we'll say hack equals slash var www html slash index.html boom echo pond again. All right, and echo pond. I will say that doesn't make any sense. We're cutting off a thing there. And echo pond. Okay. Then from here we are going to do a quick pipe / bin dd equals $ hacked. Right. That's how I did. Oh, bin dd of equals hacked. Okay, there we go. Try it again. Try it again, I guess. Maybe he looks at it every so often and sees that I got hacked or whatever, because last time I got new mail, right? At least that's what it said last time. Let's go ahead and cat this guy right here, make sure that he did actually do what he was supposed to do. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and cd into var mail. cd into crawl4 or cat crawl4. Okay. Come on now, big guy. Last time I said you had new mail. I wonder if that was just a coincidence. That was exactly like right when I sent it up. cd into home, crawl, copy nano. Okay, so I have bin nano now, so I have that now. I don't know why I couldn't do that before. Let's try that one more time. And I guess just wait a minute, see if maybe does like that. I don't know how the heck I got last time. That's how we did it last time. Okay, we got it. So we got that. So let's go ahead and do our nano slash Etsy pseudoers, right? Permission denied. What? How the heck did I do it last time? Because I'm in the SUID bits now. Period slash nano slash Etsy pseudoers. See, whenever I do it multiple times, then I can't do it. Do it the first time I can do it. And we want Hank to now be pretty much the same exact thing as what's up here. I guess we could do other things, I guess, like change up what the like Etsy shadow file says and stuff like that. There's our new mail, by the way. But I guess we could do things like that too, huh? So let's go ahead and sudo su and then cd into var www html cat that web flag.txt. Whoopsie, I don't know why I did that, and then there we go. And now we have that web flag, right? And so that box is now done, but I want to see something real quick. I want to see if we can also do like a if we could do a nano slash Etsy shadow. And if we could just change this to like a plain text password of like password, or maybe even change crawls into like a plain text password. Let's try him, or even web password 1234. SU into crawl 4 sudo check L password 1234. Try one more time just in case I mess it up. Let's just see if I can change it to plain text. It's not going, okay. That's okay. That's whatever. So that's how we do that box right there. We probably change it into an actual, if I actually do a, where is it at? Cat for my scripts, what I call shadow, or change password shadow.txt file. We probably do something like this and then make it password, and you know, there we go, like right there. Wow, cool. So we can try to do that nano thing again. Can exit out of here, and yep, back into here, nano slash etchy shadow. Try something like this, and then go down to crawl again. Krell, whatever his name is, Krell 4. Always try something like that. This is just, you know, just other things to try, I guess. We already got in there, but there's just things that I would try afterwards. Oh, there we go. And I type in password, he cannot run it actually. So let me go ahead and do a exit out of here, sudo su, right? And then from here, let's go ahead and actually throw him into the nano. Actually, I can actually exit out of here. I can actually nano slash etsy sudoers. And we can actually throw in crawl into here. So yes, we could change his password in there. Then we could throw crawl 4 into here, right? Copy this, paste that, Control X, yes, enter. He's now in the sudoers file. So now we can do an su into crawl 4, right? Password was his password. Yep, there we go. Okay, so now we do a sudo tech l. We do a password because I changed it from this over here, which gave us all, and then from there we can do a cd, or we can do a sudo su root, sudo su. And we're done again. So that's another way we could have done it. There's probably about 8 million different ways we could have done this, but those are just 2 different ways we could have done it. We could have probably, actually, since we're able to do this, we probably could have put an SUID bit on something like find or something like that. Then upgrade our privileges to find or something like that. So we could do like a sudo SUID bit, sudo plus s, right? I think it is. Change mode. So we can go to cd into user bin. Stack LA, then do like a change mode plus S for find. Is that a thing? Can I do that? Can I do a sudo change mode plus S for find? So then if I were doing ls stack LA, or yeah, find's now in red. So I mean, I guess this wouldn't really matter. We couldn't really do this one, could we? Because we can only use nano, huh? So I guess we couldn't really do something like that. Well, here you go. This is something you guys could do if you ever find that you have like change mode privileges or anything like that. Then you can say, oh, okay, fine, that's your ID bit. Then you can do this like right here. This just. But this actually we couldn't do because we already have the pseudo privileges. So what the heck's the point of, you know, really doing anything else there? But we are root now. All right, cool. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys liked everything. I know it took a little bit longer. Not as long as some of them, but it did take like a little bit longer. So you guys have a good one. Have a good night. Good morning, wherever you're at. And yeah, I will see you guys later.